student in every way, physically, mentally, emotionally. Me be an excellent human being and help me to become an IAS officer or a software engineer, whatever it is. So you can ask the Lord for concentration of mind. This is a common problem students encounter. Students tell us, Swamiji, I want to study, but I am unable to focus on my studies. Mind wanders. Mind is always in a state of restlessness. Mind becomes restless. So this is one of the techniques, written prayer. This is called emotional journaling. Lord, help me to concentrate on my studies. I want to do very well. I want to score very high marks in all my examinations. We want physical excellence in physical field, mental, emotional, academic. In every way, we must achieve human excellence. I would like to end my talk because there is so much to share, but for want of time, I would conclude it by quoting one quotation which I like most. There was a French vascular surgeon by name Dr. Alexis Carrel. He won Nobel Prize in 1915 for his pioneering work on vascular surgery. From France, he migrated to United States. He would say how important prayer in one's life is. He would say, prayer is the most powerful form of energy one can generate. Like gravity, it is as true as terrestrial gravity. It is self-regenerating like radium. As a physician, I have seen men lifted out of suffering and melancholy by the serene effort of prayer. When we pray, we link ourselves with that inexhaustible Supreme Spirit which spins this universe. Albert Einstein, the greatest physicist, the quantum physicist, the nuclear physicist, he said, my religion consists in a humble admiration of the Supreme Spirit which reveals itself in slight details which our frail and fragile minds can perceive. That deeply emotional conviction of a superior spirit forms my idea of God, he said, Albert Einstein. So there is some higher intelligence guiding our destinies. So that higher intelligence, some higher power is guiding all of us. So we need to have Shraddha, faith in ourselves and faith in that Supreme Spirit. Swamiji said, if we have this faith, we can achieve wonders. I am inferior to none. Both these complexes are not good. Inferiority as well as superiority. But holier than thou attitude is not good. At the same time, inferiority complex is not good. So somehow to keep the mind filled with positive emotions, it is all about mind management. If we take care of our emotions, if we take care of our attitudes and feelings, certainly we improve physically, mentally, emotionally. So every day our prayers have to be for the universal well-being. Lord, may everyone in this universe be happy, healthy and peaceful. If it is sincere, if we pray for the well-being of everyone, our health improves, our financial condition improves, everything improves when we pray. Sabka kalyan ho, sabka mangal ho, may everyone be happy and peaceful and blissful. So if we have an attitude of gratitude, prayer, humility and for everyone's well-being, God will take us by hand. He will protect us in every way. I am extremely happy to be in the company of young minds. When we are in the company of young minds, we become young. We forget about our stress, strain, ailments. So it's very important to be in the company of young minds. And these young students, only two things are required, truthfulness and purity. And just as we take care of our computers, just as we take care of our physical food, water, everything should be pure. We want to drink 100% bacteria-free, microbe-free water. We must keep our computers free from viruses. Similarly, we must take care of our minds. So if you can remain pure and truthful, honesty is still the best policy. It will always be the best policy. So honesty, truthfulness, purity, if you can maintain, the children here so immensely talented, bubbling with energy, enthusiasm, that angelic innocence. I sincerely pray to the Lord to shower His choicest blessings on these students and the authorities who are instrumental in running this school. May the Supreme Lord bless you all. Thank you very much.
We are indeed privileged to have had you here as our chief guest today. The number of concepts you mentioned in your short speech reveal your vast knowledge, the hurry, worry, curry, and the attitude and gratitude. I wish none of us who are here today would ever forget your valuable speech. Thank you once again, sir.
The most coveted proficiency prizes for excellence in academics and for the best outgoing student of Standard 10 for the academic year 2011-2012 are waiting to be given to their recipients. I request our chief guest to kindly give away the prizes.
For the year 2011-12, from LKG, first place goes to Ritesh. Second place goes to Deepika. From UKG, first place goes to Fatimuthu. Second place goes to Sujan. From first standard, first place goes to Sisti. Second place goes to Prabodh. From second standard, first place goes to Joshua. Second place goes to Karan. From third standard, first place goes to Ishan. Second place goes to Satya. From 7th standard, first place goes to Nishan, second place goes to Ashwa. From 8th standard, first place goes to Adrian, second place goes to Kavya. From 9th standard, first place goes to Deepesh. Second place goes to Jitin. From 10th standard, first place goes to India. Thank you.
We, the students of Woodside, are eager to entertain you with a variety of items. Once again, the sweet voices of our choir students are ready to welcome you to the Woodside family.
our song, we wish to extend our welcome to the dance. Two of our classical dancers are here to capture you with the Bharatanatyam in which Lord Shiva is portrayed in his magnificent dance form, Handavam. Listen to Po Shampoo while you watch those graceful movements.
touchdown.